Tsaka tayo maglalagay ng garlic shrimp. So, welcome back guys. Today's video we'll be cooking a butter garlic shrimp guys. So we have here 1 pounder shrimp, and then lulutuin natin guys together with butter garlic and with mushroom guys. So it's very simple guys, napaka-simple and napakadaling gawin, lutuin guys. So maybe it will take 10 to 15 minutes lang guys, no? Very easy and very quick. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching until the end. And ito yung ingredients natin guys. We have the shrimps, we have the mushrooms, the garlic, we have the unsalted butter, the black peppercorn, sea salt, and the sprite. Oh, let's start guys. So heat the pan and then olive oil in. So kailangan natin yung oil guys para hindi madaling masunog yung butter. Then I added the butter. Oh, look at that. Hintayin lang natin na mag-melt siya guys, no? Tsaka tayo maglalagay ng garlic. So totally melted na yung butter guys, and we need to add the garlic now. There you go. So hintayin lang natin guys na yung aroma ng garlic ay lalabas. Then we'll add the mushroom. Then we add the mushroom. And now it's time to add the shrimps. Okay. And add like 1 cup of soda or sprite. This is it. One tablespoon of chili garlic oil. Season with salt and pepper. So season with salt. And pepper. I added some dried oregano. Sabaw na ito guys. Yes. Thumbs up guys, grabe ka naman. Shout out din natin guys si Mr. Piso na akong kauban sa una guys no, sa GN Power from Sino Hydro Company. So shout out sa iyo pare Victor. So yung YouTube channel guys is Mr. Visor. Please subscribe guys sa yung YouTube channel. Bye bye. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video guys, and don't forget to comment, share, subscribe and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Peace.